Brent Noward here, Marketing Manager for Volant Performance, and we're talking to you live at the 2018 SEMA Show. One of the things that consumers are seeing for the first time here at the show, and a lot of our great jobbers, they're seeing the relaunched Volant Performance. And what's new with Volant Performance in 2018 and going forward for 2019 is this great product you see on the wall. It's got a new look and a new lid. There's a couple great things about this lid that consumers really enjoy. One, it allows for easy filtration maintenance. You can see when your filter maintenance needs to be performed. Two, it's got a customizable area on the lid that allows the consumer to customize this intake simply to their vehicle. So whatever color or theme that you're running on your truck, Jeep, SUV, car, you can simply add a nod to that by replacing a vinyl up here to make that color come true on your vehicle. Of course, the other things that are going on with Volant that are brand new is we've got a lifetime warranty. In the years past, it was a single 1-year warranty. Now all Volant Performance products are protected for a lifetime. That warranty doesn't stop just at the air intake. It's extending into our synthetic and oiled filter offering with our Volant for Life filtration warranty. Basically what that means is you're going to be able to replace your filter one time in a 3-year period on those two products for simply a shipping and handling fee. All of that great package is coming to you now. It's available starting today at summitracing.com.